Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I have for you an Azure Beauty Dip Powder Kit. This is their Brilliant Galaxy Kit. So Azure Beauty did launch some new fall kits. I will leave a link to this one down below. This one's going on Amazon for $25.99. It is a 31-piece set. It is considered a starter kit. It has everything you need in it. So let's go ahead and open this up. So it does have their instruction manual, their after service card, the difference about color, how it does take a couple coats to get to the true color. And again, this is a starter kit. So we do have 20 colors in here. And then we do have a cuticle pusher. We have the base, which is number 1, the activator, which is number 2, the gel top, which is number 3, and the brush saber number 4. Comes with a buffer. This one comes with a little kit, so if you want to scoop it out instead of dipping your finger in, this little tray will catch the excess powder, and then a fluffy brush as well. And then it does come with a file and 2 extra brushes. So again, it's a starter kit, kind of comes with everything you need in it. I have 2 other of their starter kits. I have a summer one, which was a smaller kit. It was this collection here. I'll leave a link to that video down below, but this was one of their summer kits. So they do have smaller and larger kits. And then this was the first kit that I had from them, which is more of just like base colors. This one here is going to be more fall toned colors. So I am going to go ahead and swatch all of them off camera and then come on and show you guys the swatches with the powders and the numbers. I think that's just going to be a little bit easier. If you want to watch my process, go watch one of my other videos. But I will also be doing a tutorial with some of these colors. That's why my nails are plain. I just have the Gel X tips put on them, but I'm going to do a tutorial. So if you want to see the actual process of how the dip powder system works, either check out one of my other videos or make sure you're subscribed, and I'll have an updated one coming up soon. So let me swatch all of these and I'll come back to you. This is number 72, which is a really pretty copper glitter. Number 108, which is kind of like a peachy nude shade. Number 122, this is another glitter, super pretty. It's like a charcoal gray glitter, has a little bit of holographic sprinkled throughout. Number 124 is a lighter peachy nude shade. Number 130 is an off-white, it's not quite a baby pink, it's like in between a baby pink and a super light tan. Number 162 is this nice army green shade. Number 181, this is a medium blue shade. Number 214, this is more of a brighter, kind of like a sky blue shade. Number 244, this is a light mauve. Number 305, this is a dark burnt orange, really pretty for fall. Number 327, this is a medium purple. Number 381, this is a medium to dark teal shade. Number 382, this is a medium teal shade as well, though it is more on the green side. Number 474, this is a purple with glitter in it, and this one is a color changing. It changes to a brighter blue, and I'll show clips afterwards, kind of more. I'll put them in hot water so you can really see them. Number 476, this is a mauve pink. Number 477, this is it's kind of like a mauve plummy glitter. Number 478, this is more of like a rusty red shade. Number 479, this is a blue with blue holographic glitter. Number 480, this is another teal on the green side, but this one's darker than the other one. And the last one we have here is 481. This is a silver holographic glitter. So I do want to do a couple comparisons to the other collection that I have. I don't think we have any of the same colors, but just going through number 1, which is kind of like a peachy pink. This is what it looks like with 124. And here's number 2, which is more of a nude, but it's a little bit darker. And then I don't have the summer ones swatched. This one gets close, though this new one, 124, is a little bit more pink. And then 108 next to number 2. Here's number 19, which is a glitter. Those two would pair really nicely together. And then compared to that one, this is a lot darker. And again with that glitter, this one is 72 with 19. 19 is more of a champagne-y tan color, and 72 is more of that copper. Here is 130, which is that off-white. Here's compared to 1, it looks more white. This is number 76, which looks more gray. Here's this one from the summer collection, and then 130 looks more pink compared to it. $244 compared to 1, it's a lot darker. Number 3 is a little bit darker than 244, but not by much. And then here's number 5, which is more lavender. Here is 327 next to number 3. Number 5. And here's number 16, which is more of a plum. $476, which is our mauve color, next to number 1. Number 3. Number 4. Number 6, which looks more magenta. Here's number 478 next to number 16. So you can see 16 looks more plum. 478 is more of like a rusty red. Here is 481. This is number 9, which is a silver glitter, a little bit chunkier. 481 is holographic. Here's number 10, which is more of an iridescent glitter. Here is 214 next to 14. This is a lot brighter. And then here's 181, which is darker than 14. Compared to 15, 15 is darker. So here is the collection as a whole. The 20 colors are a little bit hard to all get on camera, but it is a really pretty fall collection. It's like a fall winter collection. This can get you through fall and it'll get you into winter as well. As far as like fall colors go, it's missing like that honey mustard, like a yellow. It's also missing like a brighter orange, but it has those teals, the greens, and does have some orange and coppers. And then to do some comparisons within the collection, kind of show you some pairings. Here's number 305, 108, and 72 would be good pairings to do. Those three look really pretty together. And then to compare all of the blues, here are all of the blues in this collection. So we do have that pretty glitter. Again, this number 381 is more of a teal in here. And then here are the three greens in the collection. So you could see number 382 looks more teal compared to the greens, but 381 looks more blue. And then here are like the purples. This one is more of a red, but I feel like it kind of goes with the vibes. So you can kind of mix and match. Some of these would make a nice ombre together. And then here are the two color changing ones. So we have that 474, which was that purple glitter, turns into a blue, and then number 162 is that darker green. It actually turns into a very pale green. So my overall thoughts on this collection, I really like it. It is a really pretty, again, like fall into winter collection. It has good variety. It has good pairings within the collection. So if you tend to like these type of tones, this is a good starter kit. It has everything you need in it, and it has plenty of colors that you can kind of mix and match and pair and do different designs with. So thank you to AZUREBEAUTY for sending me over this kit. I will leave the Amazon link in my description box down below if you want to go pick up this kit or look up some of their other fall ones that they just released. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my swatching videos. Make sure you're subscribed for more videos coming out very soon. Again, I'm going to do a tutorial on my fingers with this collection, so make sure you're subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.